today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above settings, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you come here to start up in location here. So then you come here to start up location, and here you click in this sign. Then here can you select if you want to add use GPS or use last location here, or use last location. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.